To go from a feminine voice into a masculine voice, you first have to recognize what makes your voice feminine. Hi, it's Jimmy, your favorite gender affirming vocal coach. What makes you sound feminine is because, number one, your voice has a little bit more head voice participation, which essentially makes your voice sound softer like this versus kind of like this. This has this kind of different quality and texture to the voice. Now, the second reason why you sound feminine is because your resonance space is smaller, thus making your pronunciation and kind of sounds like this. Now, when you combine a sound like this and a softer sound like this, then eventually you're going to have a more feminine voice. And then on top of this, you add a little bit more kind of inflection where your voice can go up, can go down. That's going to make you sound more feminine. So essentially, you have to do the opposite in order to make your sound masculine, which means you have to make your voice stronger, higher intensity. Then you want to change your bright resonance into a larger resonance as if you are yawning. I'm so tired. Finally, you want to maintain a very, very even tone so that you are not speaking with a lot of variations in your voice. So that's how you make your voice go from a feminine voice into a masculine voice. If you want to learn all of this in a short amount of time, such as 8 weeks, sign up for an online lesson right now by clicking the link in bio.